Russell fourth on the list. The hero Maximum got him. Got him. Rashid Khan thought that he got him. I'm sure the lights came on the stumps, but they've dropped back into the groove. Rashid was celebrating. So was I.
Cricketing God once more of this action. 18 gone, 144 for 3. The lights clearly came on. Ball making contact with the stump. Just not enough to dislodge the bail. When you're playing very well, Lady Luck seems to be on your side more often than not.
Not sure which part of the world they would say, though, when you salt, because the Tridents just cannot get anything going their way. I saw those lights came on. That's why I said got him. Have a look again. Will they come off this time? No, they're still on. Not going anywhere.
Thanks to Hashim. A couple of audio issues there. Fletcher on strike. Oh, well bowled. It's got through him. Well, I don't think the bails have come off. Did it hit the stumps? The Zing bails are in position. Look at them there. Umar Akmal's going to check if they're glued on. Wow. It was full from beaten. Fletcher jammed down on it. It was trickling back.
I want to see if these lights go off. Keeps it out. They do, but the bails don't come off. The disco lights are on here at Warner tonight, and he's still on the dance floor. Is the Spice Man. Credible. Maybe just a little bit too heavy with the technique, the technical side of it inside the bails. Oh, hang on a minute, Cat. I think this might have hit the stumps and gone for 4. There was a bit of wood of some description. Now he's saying buys. It didn't touch Fletcher's blade, but it sounded like it clunked some willow for sure. Here we go.
Clunk's the right word. It's taken a huge piece of the leg stump. A huge piece. Dinesh Ramdin just staring in absolute, utter disbelief. The Zing just took a slight jump out of the groove and landed straight back in again.
Well, got to say the gods are against you tonight when that happens. Fletch loves it. Got another life. Crowd have gone berserk here.